What's up guys, and it's go time. We have the official Galaxy S20 family renders from Galaxy S20 all the way to the S20 Ultra. Every single thing is now officially here. Not only that, we also have some exciting news regarding the Galaxy Z Flip, some more details that we're going to discuss later on. So here is the Galaxy S20, S20 Plus and S20 Ultra from the front side. They all have punch hole towards the middle and very minimal bezels overall. All of them are rocking Quad HD 120Hz display, but main difference is actually with the edge and the size of the display. So 6.9 inches for the Ultra model, 6.7 for the Galaxy S20 Plus and 6.4 for the S20. The Galaxy S20 is actually rocking a flat display as pointed out by Max Winback. Then there is a slightly more curve with the S20 Plus, and then the Ultra model is the one that has the most curved out of all these phones. Now it's still not as curved as the Galaxy S10, so Samsung is taking a different approach compared to other companies such as Huawei or Vivo. They're not going for the waterfall display, which in my book is a nice thing to do. They all have two buttons that are power key and volume rockers towards the right hand side. Switching towards the back, as we have seen countless times in the concept and everything, it is true they all have this new camera setup, the square shaped camera setup on the top left hand side. So triple camera for the Galaxy S20, quad camera for the S20 Plus, and the S20 Ultra is the only phone coming with 5 cameras, one of which is a periscope camera setup that we are seeing for the first time on a Samsung phone. Along with that, we're also getting the exclusive custom 108 megapixel Samsung sensor. And something we just discussed in the previous video is now finally confirmed. The space zoom 100x is a real thing. The S20 Ultra will be capable of doing 100 times zoom. Now it's gonna be a 10x optical lens, and 100x will be a completely digital software zoom, so don't expect to be super high quality, but it's still impressive that a smartphone in 2020 can do something like that. Now, as mentioned by Max Winback on Twitter, the Galaxy S20 Ultra will use nano binning with the 108 megapixel sensor to achieve better low light shots. Of course, we'll have improved night mode as well, so that all will assist in more sharper, detailed images when it comes to low light scenarios. Now, out of the box, the Galaxy S20 family will be on 60 Hz, so it will be up to user to go to 120 Hz if they want higher refresh rate. Sadly, there is no in-between 90 Hz mode as of now, something Samsung can actually enable through software because hardware is clearly capable of that. Again, we'll see more information on that once these phones are officially out, which is going to happen very soon in a couple of days. Galaxy S20 family along with Galaxy Z Flip will get officially announced on February 11th. Now, speaking of the Galaxy Z Flip, the clamshell foldable phone will have a new ultra thin glass from Samsung. We know these details, but further details by Max explains that there's going to be a fingerprint scanner towards the side of the phone, kind of like the Galaxy S10e, which was actually really good, really fast. Dual 12 megapixel cameras will be there, wide and ultra wide, again something similar to the S10e. It will support wireless charging as well as reverse wireless charging. The display itself will be a dynamic OLED panel, so it's gonna be top notch. As for the small display on the outside, it will display information like battery, time. It will work as a viewfinder for the back camera so that you can take selfies using the rear camera. So that will result in better high quality selfies. And something that was mentioned before is that the battery size could be around 3300 or 3500 mAh. So that's all we have on the Galaxy S20 family. The official press renders are out. These are the images that you're gonna see when the Galaxy S20 family will get officially announced. Again, that completely confirms everything regarding the design. I'm super excited. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.